As the viewer embarks on this fantastic journey, enchanting music intertwines with the story, creating a dreamscape where marble and plaster statues come to life in the frosty embrace of the Arctic. The narrative unfolds like a scroll, revealing secrets buried in the snowy landscapes. However, the main mystery remains veiled and awaits to be unraveled by those who dare to venture into the realm of fantasy. Why have these beautiful plaster statues found their home in the icy heart of the Arctic? The mystery remains a mystery, leaving you to ponder the unknown. Keywords: Sculptor's estate, inside a sculptor's workshop, Sculptor's utopia, art beautiful plaster statues, calm music, ASMR whispers, Reddit stories, to fall asleep to, virtual walking tour, in the icy realm of the Arctic, where whispers of ancient secrets are whispered by the icy winds, and unusual mystery slumbers. It begins with a question that awakens curiosity and sets the stage for a tale as enchanting as the sculptures themselves. Deep within the secluded location known as the Sculptor's Estate, where artists seek the unusual, is the Sculptor's studio where unearthly beauty is born. Inspired by an elusive utopia, master sculptors set about creating enchanting plaster statues that transcend the ordinary. As each graceful figure takes shape, a mysterious aura envelopes them, giving the statues a life of their own. Guided by the tantalizing whispers of ASMR storytelling, the sculptors created a narrative as mesmerizing as the icy landscapes of the Arctic. Soon the sculptures were a virtual walking tour, transported to the heart of the Arctic's desolate beauty. The question that hovers in the crisp, frosty air is as old as the ice itself. Why place these mesmerizing figures in such an extreme and unexpected environment? Legends tell of an otherworldly purpose, a quest for a frozen utopia beyond mortal comprehension.